Good afternoon, student. How are you? I hope all you are very fine. Stay home, stay safe. Okay. Now, today I'm going to teach you that, as you know, that the last day I complete this first chapter of your syllabus, that is a topographical map. Today I just going to discuss that truly further on the exercise portion. Now see the first one. The first is given. To answer the question, fill in the blanks. What is the first one? In rural areas, the main occupation of people is. In the rural area, rural means the village area. So village area, what is the main occupation of the peoples? They not have lots of industries, lots of offices. So then generally their main occupation is the agriculture. So the first one answer is agriculture. Now the second one, in their settlement, the houses are spread out over a wide area. That means where the outward the wide is a large area. When the houses here one, within a large area, when the houses are present like this type of the settlement pattern is known as the dispersed type of settlement. So you have to answer is the dispersed type. Next, a dash is a shallow depression between the two hills or peak. Then which one is a shallow depression? Coal. Coal is a shallow depression between the two hills or peak. Next is the dash are drawn to show the places of equal height. These things that we draw to show the places to join the equal height, that is the contour line. What is contour line? Contour line is a brown color line in a topographical map that join all the places that have the same or equal height. Now the next is the number 5. The presence of hotels and inns in a topo sheet indicate dash activities. If the number of hotels are in a mode, which area we can see the number of hotels? That which one is the tourism area? That's why the many tourism places they have lots of plenty of hotels have been there. So then what is the main occupation that time? Is the tourism. The answer is also tourism. Now see the number B, first one. A topographic map is a type of map characterized by dash detailing. Means in a topographical map, it provides us large details. So what you have to write the answer? Large details. That topographic map, the definition only, that in which map the small area are represented with a great details or the large details. This type map is known as the topographical map. So here is the answer you have to write, the large details. Now the next one is a contour line is a line that connecting the places of equal elevation. Or the equal heights, like the equal elevation that you have to write. Now the next is topographic survey were prepared by the military to assist in planning for battle. Now the number 4, the study of topographical map is called topography. Now the number 5 is the various features shown on the map are represented by the conventional sign and symbols. What is the conventional sign and symbols? That few sign and symbols that we use in a topographical map, that between them the few symbols are internationally accepted by all the geographers of the world. Means few particular symbols that are internationally accepted by all the geographers of the world. This type of the symbols are known as conventional sign and symbols. Now see the next is the true false. See the first one. Linear settlement come up along the roads and river. Is it true or false? Obviously is that true. The linear settlement is a line wise, it's beside the road and river. And the second one is the limestone bed and the quarries indicate the agriculture is the primary occupation. Is it true or false? It's a false, because where the limestone bed is found, it's the main occupation was the mining only. Why should the agriculture? Next is a pass is a depression in a valley. A pass is a depression in a valley. It's not the only depression, it's a shallow, deep depression in a valley. So that's why it's the false. Now the next is on topo maps, all settlements are shown in a black color. No, all the settlements we found in a topographical map in the red in color. So this one is the false. Now the next is two contour lines of different elevation do not cross each other. Yes, the two contour lines do not, they have to cross with each other. So this one is the true. Now see the number D, differentiate between the following. What is the first one? The nucleated and the dispersed settlement. What is the difference between them? We know that first what is the definition? That nucleated settlement is the type of settlement that where all the houses are located very close from each other. And dispersed settlement, that this type of settlement that all the houses are located far from each other. Now what is the second point? That in the nuclear settlement are mostly found in the cities and town, and the dispersed settlement are mostly found into those are the desert area. And the third one is the example of, and see the number of population. You can give number of population in the nuclear settlement are in a more in number, a number of population in the dispersed type of settlement they are very less in number. And the second one is the concave and convex slope. First I tell you that what is the concave and what is the convex slope. That the concave and convex, that means first you see these two figures. First one, this right, this one is known as the concave slope. Okay, this is the concave slope, and see the downward, this type of figure are known as the convex slope. So these two are the concave and convex. What is the things that where the sloping portion in the concave slope are located in the downward area, and the sloping portion in the convex slope in the upward area. That first is the concave slope, the sloping portion in the upward, and the convex slope, the sloping area in the downward. And those are the downward region in the concave slope are flat in nature, but in the convex slope, the upper portion, not the lower, upper portion is the flat in nature. And in the concave slope, in the upper portion, all the contour lines are located very close with each other. And in the convex slope, that in the downward portion, all the contour lines are located very close with each other. What is the difference? First one is the in the concave slope, the sloping area upper, in the those are the downward the lower area, and in the convex slope, the upper area is a flat in nature, the wide upper. And the sloping portion is located in the upper region, there is a downward portion, and the contour lines are located very close with each other from the upper portion, and the contour lines are located very close with each other in the downward portion, the convex slope. So today up to here, and next is the left of this number 3, 4 from the number D. Write down, just mark it in your copy and book that number D 3 and 4 and number E 1 to 5. This one is your homework, and all the other question answers you have to write in your copy, and you have to write in a proper way. Question with answer, not only the answer. We remember this one. So this all you have to complete. And next day I will discuss the new chapter. Thank you.